Wynyard, face masks are mandatory on public transport and at public transport waiting areas, including the station and all platforms. Fines will apply.
Good afternoon, customers. This is the Richmond via the City Service. Next stop Wynyard, followed by Town Hall, then Central. Change at Wynyard for Circular Quay, St James and Museum. Please mind the gap and take care when moving the train. Please note that it is mandatory to wear a face mask on public transport and at the stations. Next stop Wynyard.